Sabi ko.
Anong next trip niyo, ma'am, sa amin?
Sa Puerto Deng. Sa Puerto Princesa. Sa underground. Tapos uwi na kami.
Where you from, guys?
Where are we from?
United States.
USA.
Yeah.
Wow. Save my guest today. Tal, daan mo lang tala.
Sorry po.
Tapos na. Kalabas na kami. Balik na kami kasi. Balik na kaya? Oo. Tapos na kami.
Thank you po.
Okay, wala na video. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. Okay.
So this is Big Lagoon. I'm literally here by myself. Eden and our tour guide went over to this small cavern so she could take some video, because I couldn't get the GoPro to work right when we were going through there earlier. So they went back over there. So I'm just gonna sit here and kind of like hang out and wait for them and do some of this video here. It's absolutely gorgeous back here, guys. Real pretty. And that's the entrance coming in. We'll be headed out that way again here soon. So this is kind of like where people stop to have a little swim break, dip in the water, cool off. Real pretty. I try to walk over here and get some different angles here. Check this out. Hold on a second. Getting a little bit deeper. Success? Nice. And they returned on a successful voyage. Yep. Okay, I think I've taken just about as much video back here as I'm going to. Just finish this one up and then I think so. What do you think? How are we doing on our schedule? Pretty good so far? Okay. Just a snorkeling around. Whatever you're comfortable with, hon. Whatever you're comfortable. Okay. Coming around.
I just want to dip my head in.
Okay.
I'm afraid even I know that I'm floating, but it's not easy.
Carlos. Video. Okay, we finished up the big lagoon. We came over to another small area, like a little tiny lagoon, and did some scuba, or not scuba diving, but snorkeling. Not sure exactly where we're going next, but we'll find out. Secret lagoon, okay. Secret lagoon. Secret Lagoon. Oh, look at that. Those are some tall ledges up there.
Right, so mamin sir, so here in the Secret Lagoon, so inside of a Secret Lagoon, so we have 100 meters, square meters, and then the small hole in front, 1 meters. Look the small hole. So from outside to inside, we need to walking.
Okie doke.
Yes, ito lang.
Okay, there, it's gone.
Okay, say hi, sir. Okay.
Here we go.
Yes.
See you on the other side.
Yeah, it's not secret, ha? Isa lang to, isa. Isa lang. This moment, my friend. Alright, yeah, let's go!
Yeah, I'm gonna swivel.
What's your head, huh? What's your head? Yeah, slowly, slowly.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right, thank you. Okay. So this is what I... Oh, goodness. I think I'm... That's incredible. Secret Lagoon. It's only about waist deep, this water. Welcome to Secret Lagoon. Hey, hon. Whew, look at this place. This is crazy. You gotta crawl through. You gotta crawl through that little hole to get in here. I don't know how it showed up on video. I guess we'll find out, huh? You got these tour guides out here. They really know what they're doing behind a camera. Okay, hon, what do you think?
It's nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Kissy kissy. Okay. Guess that's about it for now. Catch you on the next trip, on the next run. Thanks.
We take a photo.
Yeah.
Take a photo.
Yeah, buddy. We're just gonna float here for a moment and enjoy the scene. I hope we got enough on video here that you can kind of get an idea of what this place is like. I don't even know if the audio's if the audio is working. Because this is an old GoPro Hero 4, and I don't have, the external mic is obviously not on it because I have it enclosed in the waterproof case. So I don't know. I guess we'll find out, right? Shimuzu Island. I'm trying to stay out of the sun right this moment. I'm starting to feel it, man. What do you think of Shimuzu Island?
There's a sand
Yeah.
which you can explore. There's some over there. I think there's a passage. You can squeeze in there and I will take a photo of you later. Lay down here.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's freaking hot, man. That sun is out. So just a nice place if you just, yeah, Shimuzu. Nice place if you just want to lay out on a nice tropical beach. Can you imagine being stranded out here? Shipwrecked? Can you imagine being shipwrecked out here? How do you make it inland? You'd have to scale these walls. Think you could do it, hon? Yeah. We're stranded on this island, and the only way to reach any kind of water or drinking water or whatever is in a small little creek that's located up on top, but you have to get up there first. How do you do it? What? Yeah. I mean, you'd be totally effed, man, if you had to frickin' be stranded out here. What a flippin' drag that would be. It would be nice probably for like the first hour. But then after that, oh man. When it comes time to survive, I don't know. Unless you, yeah, I'd probably go out in the water and try to walk around it a little bit. See what people do, sit back here and party. Have bonfires? I don't know. Check this out. What do we got here? Little place, but you can go back there and kiss your girlfriend. Oh yeah. Any Japanese hiding in there? The war is over. Come on out. Yeah, right. Another little hiding spot. Yeah. Pretty cool. Really not much to this place. Just a nice place to hang out. Maybe have some buko juice. I'm sure these fine people would be willing to accommodate you on that. Yeah, really nice. So let's see, so far we've done Big Lagoon. And then I think after that we did some scuba diving. In what area that was? It was between Big Lagoon and Secret Lagoon. Big Lagoon? Yeah, Big Lagoon and Secret Lagoon. Or Hidden Lagoon, whatever that's called. With the big tall walls inside the little passageway that you have to crawl through. This is it. Shimuzu Island. Beautiful. Okay, get you on the next one. You got it? I tell you what, you look up there, feel like you're ready to fall backwards. Poof. That would suck. See you on the next one, guys. Okay, this is like our last stop, and I believe this is called 7 Commando Beach. And the sun's hitting me hard. I have sunscreens on the boat, but I have a bunch on me. I hope it holds up. Or I'm gonna be a crispy critter. Huh? Crispy pata. Yeah. Lechon. So let's take a walk around this place, see what's going on. People out playing volleyball. Do a quick tour, huh? I don't even know what time it is, but we got here before the mad rush. We're doing a private tour, obviously, so we got here before all the group tours arrive. So that's one nice thing. Huh? 1 o'clock? So I'll just do a quick video here. Yeah. Okay. This is pretty cool. Man. Now I was saying earlier, over on the other island, being deserted over there would be a real drag. But here, I could probably hang out here for a couple days before I start going stir crazy. Man, yeah, you could spend the whole day out here. That water is just gorgeous. Holy crap. It's real nice out there. Looks like they got a little snack bar. This is nice. Well, we made it, hon.
Yep.
Tour A complete. We got us some buko shakes, mango shake, and a buko shake. And we're gonna make our way to the hotel room so we can take a shower, because we got salt all over our bodies. I think I managed to make it through that tour without sustaining any injuries.
And then we have a very smooth drop.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not joking when I say that, because there was a lot of rocks, big rocks, on the floor of the ocean there where we had to walk. And I tell you what, one little slip and you could wreck your knee real quick, or both knees. Twist your ankle, whatever. But I managed. About the only thing that, and it's not really even an injury, is I swallowed a whole mouthful of frickin' salt water because I messed up on my snorkeling skills. I think we can sneak through this way. Yeah, they're doing some construction back through here. Yeah, that was a harsh, I mean, it was a big mouthful too. It's probably a good, yeah, when I probably swallowed, I don't know, I'm gonna guess about 6 ounces. 6 ounces of freaking salt water. Oh well, not the first time. Done it before. So we were going to do Tour C, but I'm not so sure now. I think that was enough island hopping for me. What do you think, hon? Hold on. What's that?
I'm okay already for the 2A. It's really good.
Yeah, I think I am too. I got a lot of sun today, which is something I'm not used to. I don't get out in the sun that much, so. If nothing else, my skin will thank me for not going out again. I put on a lot of sunscreen, but it really doesn't seem to matter.
Yeah, you're so red, man.
Oh yeah, well, before we came out here, I was white as a ghost. So, yeah. So this is a lot more sun than what I'm used to getting. God dang, man. Hey babe, go over this side. Trying to avoid the sun as much as possible. Sounds kind of silly to say when you're in the Philippines. In the Philippines, but trying to avoid the sun. Yeah. I'm kind of stepping it out a little. We got lots of noise, man. Construction everywhere. And then we got to decide what we're going to eat for dinner. Which really doesn't matter to me, I guess. So we got, what, 2 more nights of...
It's our 3rd night. And the last tomorrow.
Tonight and tomorrow night. Yeah, 2 more dining outs in El Nido. Oh boy, what do we got here? We're gonna wait for this guy to pass us through. I feel like walking in the water. There we go. I know. Some funky looking tricycles here. They're about as wide as a car, like Volkswagen Bug. About the same width. No thanks, buddy. Alright. Let's skedaddle. Ugh. Who's that?
That's Randy.
Ryan?
Hi, Ryan.
What'd you tell him? I wasn't thinking we would run into him. Okay. Up the mega flight of stairs. Okay guys, we're gonna end it here. Just wanted to kind of chit chat a little bit at the end of our day. Man, look how red I am.
We're burned out.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. We finished it. We did it. We're in one piece. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.